back to our third episode of Cooking with Milo. In this episode, Milo and I will be showing you how to make... Milo, you're silly. We made peanut butter dog treats on our last video. We'll leave a link to the description if you'd like to go see that. So in this episode, we're going to be combining two of my favorite things. My favorite holiday cake and my favorite cake overall. And we're going to be making a pumpkin cheesecake. Alright, for this cake you're going to need just a few ingredients. We're going to leave those in the description down below so you can follow along at home. Alright, to get things heated up, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. To get started, we're going to be making a good crust. No, not that kind of crust. We're going to be crushing up 2 cups worth of graham crackers and putting that in a bowl. Add in your melted butter and your granulated sugar. Mix it all up until it's well combined and then spread it evenly in your pan. Once you have that done, you're going to take that pan and set it aside, and then get it out of another bowl and start making our filling. Milo, we got to make our filling. We can't take a nap. To start, you're going to want to take your cream cheese and your brown sugar and beat it until it's nice and fluffy. Once that's nice and fluffy, you're going to add your remaining ingredients into the bowl and mix until smooth. Once your mixture is nice and smooth, you're going to pour it onto your crust. Take your pan and place it in the oven for about 50 minutes. Or until the top is lightly brown and the center is almost set. Once the time's up, you're going to leave the cake in the oven. You're going to turn the oven off and let it sit for about an hour. Once your hour is up, you're going to take it out of the oven and place it on a wire rack where you're going to let it cool down until it's about room temperature. Then you're going to place it in the refrigerator and leave it there for at least 4 hours or overnight. Once that's done, you have a perfectly done pumpkin cheesecake. Just make sure to keep your leftovers in the refrigerator. If you've enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and consider subscribing so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. From both of us here on Cooking with Milo, we hope you have a safe and wonderful spooky October. Happy Tales!